Okay, I got a Craftsman 6.75 horsepower with a Briggs & Stratton on it. It's self-propelled with front wheel drive. The suspicion was that the engine was seized up on this and a bearing was starting to go. The reality is the engine brake was seizing up. I released that. Now she starts one pull, no knocking. The self-propel does not work. I believe it threw a belt. We're going to get some tools and see what's going on with that. Let me get my sockets and stuff over there. I don't know whether this has metric sizes on it. I don't know if that was the right size or not, but it took it off. That was an 8mm. There is a belt on there. Oh, that belt looks like rough for wear. That belt is shot. That's all stretched out. All right, that's not engaging. Let's see if that tensions up at all. Nope, that belt is shot. Okay. This definitely needs a new belt on it. That is stretched to shit. Might have thrown it off the pulley, actually. That looks like it might have came off the pulley. Let's flip her over. Take a look from the underside. See if these are 10mm. 10mm. Bunch of debris up in there. Yep, threw it off the pulley. Belt's all chewed up inside. I gotta pull that blade off. This needs a new belt. That's all that is. All that needs a new belt. Let me go get my bigger impact, take that blade off of there. Okay guys, I thought I was recording, but I'm not. I wasn't. I got a 6.75 horse Craftsman, front wheel self-propel with a Briggs & Stratton on it. I pulled this cover off with an 8mm socket. And saw there was a lot of play in that belt. I flipped it over and removed the underside cover with two 10mm fasteners, and I see that the belt is up above the pulley and all shredded. This is going to need a replacement belt. And sharpen that blade while it's off. Cover slides off there. A big screwdriver, see if I can dig that belt out of there. I think I'm just going to cut that belt and pull it out. Let me get some snips. Hopefully there'll be a number on this belt. I'd rather just order a belt, not get a lawnmower belt, because I'm going to pay more for it. If I can just order the size belt, I'll get it for a hell of a lot cheaper. I don't think I'm going to see any numbers on this thing. Get a pair of pliers or vice grips. Dizzy, getting dizzy. And try little baby pliers first, something just to grab on that with. Yeah, that's in there. Oh boy. No wonder that was hard to pull. I'm gonna get my tool tray, my parts tray. When you put these back on, that washer's got to be with the concave side, the convex side, up towards the top of the nut. Acts like a spring tightening down on the blade. That should start real easy now with that belt out of there. Oh, we don't have a blade on it, so we don't have the weight to keep it spinning. All right, we got to get a belt for that. That was an easy fix. Yeah, rolling nice and free. That's why he gave it to me. He thought there was something seriously wrong with that.
Who gave that to you?
Alright guys, sometimes people will get rid of lawnmowers thinking there's serious issues, and it's nothing that serious. So I'm going to get a belt for that. We're going to throw that on there and do an oil change on that. Put a little either Seafoam or Lucas fuel additive in there to clean up the carb, and hose it down and blow it off, and that thing should be good to go. We'll be back guys when I get the parts.